In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to configure signing settings in DocuSign, so you can control how recipients interact with your documents and make sure everything runs smoothly from start to finish. If you're an account admin or you manage agreements for your team, these settings are incredibly important. They help you control recipient behavior, delegation rules, and document formatting options. I'll walk you through everything step by step, and if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more DocuSign tutorials and software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. You can head directly to apps.docusign.com and sign in with your account credentials. Make sure you're logging in with an account that has admin permissions, because signing settings are only accessible to administrators. Once you're logged in and on your home dashboard, look toward the top navigation menu. Next, click on Admin. This will take you to the DocuSign Admin dashboard where you can manage account-wide configurations. The admin area is where you control user permissions, branding, security settings, and of course, signing settings. Once the admin dashboard loads, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side with different configuration options. From that left menu, click on Signing Settings. This is where you can control how recipients experience the signing process. Inside Signing Settings, you'll see several sections that allow you to customize different parts of the signing workflow. Start by reviewing and editing the Recipient Settings section. Here, you can configure how recipients receive and complete documents. For example, you can control whether signers must adopt a signature, whether they can draw or upload a signature, and whether certain fields are required before completing the signing process. You may also see options related to authentication and identity verification depending on your plan. Adjust these settings based on your organization's compliance requirements and user experience preferences. Once you've made your changes, make sure to save them before moving on. Next, locate and edit the Delegation settings. Delegation allows recipients to assign their signing responsibility to someone else, depending on how your account is configured. In this section, you can enable or disable delegation and determine whether signers are allowed to reassign documents. This is especially useful in larger organizations where someone might be out of office and need to redirect a document to another authorized signer. Carefully review these options and choose the level of flexibility that makes sense for your business processes. After updating the delegation preferences, save your changes. Now move to the Document Formatting section. Click on Document Formatting to open those options. This area allows you to control how documents appear during signing. You can configure settings related to display preferences, such as how documents are presented to signers, whether certain formatting features are enabled, and how completed documents are generated. These settings can impact readability and overall signing experience, so it's worth reviewing them carefully. Make any necessary adjustments to match your company's branding standards or usability preferences, then save your updates. After reviewing recipient settings, delegation, and document formatting, take a moment to double-check everything. Signing settings apply account-wide, so any changes you make here will affect all users under your DocuSign account. It's always a good idea to communicate updates with your team if the changes impact their workflow. And that's it. You've successfully configured signing settings in DocuSign. As you can see, it only takes a few minutes to fine-tune how recipients interact with your documents, but these small adjustments can make a big difference in security, compliance, and overall efficiency. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step DocuSign guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.